Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I have brought some wonderful and amazing home organization ideas for you. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas for you. Look at this. All ideas are super amazing. You can take the screenshot of the picture or save the video also. All these ideas are wonderful. Look at this. How lovely they are. You can organize and decor your home in this way. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel, then please subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Look at this. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas for you. I hope you will like these ideas. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. So till then, bye bye.